Good day everyone and welcome to Wednesday live trading session. So today we will see if we have any possible setups, but I will be sure to provide you with any entries that we can possibly make, and I can see that the euro dollar now is possibly close to our entry, so I will be quick with the risk disclaimer and then we'll provide you with setups. Okay, I hope that you had great week. So far market has not been moving much, but at least we could have made some nice pips on pound dollar breakout to the long side as I posted today. So before we begin, standard risk disclaimer explaining that all possible risks associated with Forex market, and you need to accept the risk disclaimer if you want to proceed further with this webinar. Have in mind that CFDs and Forex trading are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits, so Forex trading is not suitable for everyone. This video is not part of the .co.uk website but the globalnews.com website. And to get the corresponding information on charting conditions and any other detail, you should visit www.ironmarketsglobal.com, set your country of residence and contact an appropriate entity. Have in mind that everything that is expressed in this video is a personal opinion only. And this is how we will go with the rules and setups. As always, I need to remind you, we will use POC zones, master candle setups, Wolfe Waves, price action. This is my personal opinion and every trade is also my personal setup. We go with market or pending orders. We don't scalp on live webinars. We either do positional or breakout trading. If we don't see a setup, no trade. That is why we can use pending orders. Once you're in trade, you need to do your own money management. Recommended risk is 0.5 to 1% per trade, but don't exceed 2%. You want to trade like professionals, so keep your risk under control. Okay? Losing is part of the business. That's very important for all newcomers. And everything is manageable if you use low risk and if you don't revenge your trades. Session recaps usually happen on Monday to Wednesday, but here on live trading webinars we use either market or pending orders, and those are valid from Wednesday till Friday. Market order is an order that is instantly executed during the webinar, while pending orders can be executed during the day or tomorrow. The final date is early Friday, because my advice is really, I personally think that all trades should be closed before Friday close if you want to go with intraday setups or intra-week setups, because sometimes you might experience a gap, a retail, so-called retail gap on Forex Open just during the weekend. So you need to protect your profits during the weekend. That is why you will see very occasionally that price tends to go up and down on Friday, and usually Fridays are those are the days when investors take all of their profits and they don't want to risk anything happening over the weekend. So that is why Friday are not necessarily best days to trade. Still, if you are in profitable position and you want to leave your trade running, use your profit stops, but have in mind that gaps simply will negate your profit stops. So the best is to close your trades if you're not making a, let's say, intra-month swing position. Well, if you're trading on higher time frames, then definitely you need to accept the fact that you might have some gaps during the weekend. It doesn't happen always, and of course it's much less pronounced than in stock market, but just from time to time you might see it. And this is just a reminder, guys. I'm not sure that you like to trade pound New Zealand, but definitely after our last webinar here, pound New Zealand went in nice profit. This was when we did webinar. It was 5th of April, and just slightly later, I mean it's a day afterward, On 6th of April, we had a buy position initiated on pound New Zealand. Have in mind that pound New Zealand is extremely fast moving pair. So if you are in the right side of the market, you will usually see nice profits. And here, definitely, you see this was our entry. This was below, this was our stop loss. And here, maximum pips you could have made is close to 60. But definitely, this is the pending order that worked out perfectly. Okay, pound New Zealand happened a day after we had live trading webinar. So guys, if you followed it, you could have made nice pips on pound New Zealand trade. Now the opportunity that I see, I want to buy euro dollar. I'm not sure that, well, if it will pull back to 0.580, that would be good. My stop loss 0.550, 0.660 TP, TP to 0.680. This is the trading opportunity that I have been waiting for. So far, market has been rejecting lower pressure. I mean, definitely market has been supported. And here what I see is a possible head fake pattern, because this is lean head and shoulders happening at the bottom of the market, and it's leaned. So I think the market might be supported. To me, this looks like a head fake. So I think that euro dollar might spike to the upside. I'm not sure that, just the problem is, will it come to our zone to bite it? Now guys, if you put a Fibonacci retracement from this spot to this spot here, you will see why I picked up this zone for a possible bounce. If the price drops lower, then definitely if it starts to reject, we will move our trend line here. So if it starts to reject from this spot, we will also have a trend line. This trend line now is just supporting this possible head fake, so it's not valid for our entry. But definitely here we have ATR pivot point, we have a zone of 78 and 88.6, okay, and we can go with slightly above. We can buy it just slightly above if the price starts to drop. Otherwise guys, I'm not sure. Now it's in, definitely this is no trading zone for this pair. It simply is, this is non-tradable area at this point. Here we don't have any high confluence, except it's 50% of retracement. I want at least to drop a little bit lower, at least over this region, before I can execute my buy market order. If not, I will stick with buy sell position. So this is limit order. So that is what we will see. Okay, I will reply to your comments and questions just a little bit later. And guys, also what I've noticed is we have a Wolfe Wave possible buy here on New Zealand dollar. If you take that, this is 0.1, okay, this is 0.2, this is 0.3, this is 0.4. We can make, I mean, this could be a valid Wolfe line pattern, Wolfe Wave pattern, because here, first of all, 0.4 is in between 0.1 and 0.2. Okay, so here definitely I think that this could be a valid Wolfe Wave. Okay, so this is 0.1. Now I will add this here. Okay, this is 0.2. Okay, now this is text. I will place it like this, just for your reference, step by step. 0.1, 0.2. Now we have 0.3 here, guys. And if we connect 0.1 and 0.3 trend line, we see how it's holding. So I think maybe we can make a market order on New Zealand dollar after it breaks. This is, I think, 60. Let's see. I think this is 69.25, so 69.28 could be a market order, but let me just confirm. I want to confirm. Okay. High 69.24. Yes. So 69.28 could be a market order here on a break of this one. But yet again, this is a very low risk trade in the sense of placing our stop loss, because our stop loss will go 10 pips below ATR projection low. Projection low is 69.50, so we will place our stop at 69.05. So this is very, very, I mean, low risk in the sense of risking. So I think that this could be a valid one. But let's see, have in mind, guys, most of Wolfe waves are actually counter trend patterns. So that is the only thing that we need to be careful. This is 0.4, okay? And here, guys, definitely we have 0.5, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.5, all are swing high, swing lows, okay? This is Wolfe wave. From my point of view, this is valid Wolfe wave, okay? So, and it's a strict Wolfe wave because 0.4 is in between 0.1 and 0.2. So the only thing, also guys, don't forget that we have divergence here. So here you see the price has made a lower low while the oscillator that is oversold has made a higher low. So we have divergence, we have ATR low, we have valid Wolfe wave. I will make market order if this happens during the webinar. If it doesn't happen during the webinar, well then guys, I will make a pending order at 69.28, keeping the stop loss at 69.05 minus 2 pips, so 69.03 if you trade with a low spread such as ECN account, just at a slight pip difference to your stop loss. I mean, ECN is very low spread, but still guys, if you trade with other standard account, then you need to add the spread to your stop loss. Always add the spread. For me, I always add 2 to 3, sometimes 5 pips depending on volatility. For pound yen, 5 pips is good to add to your stop loss, but usually this is it. Good thing with Wolfe wave, guys, is that you don't trade it until you see a confirmation. If you remember my trade setup from yesterday, I posted a non-strict Wolfe wave setup on Admiral Markets website, and here I will show you now. If you followed it, well, here technical analysis. Here, okay, this was actually on forex3.com, but it's okay. We will get back to this one later. This was also an excellent trade. I will show you now my forex. This was Wolfe wave with forex street. Okay. Here it is, guys. Bullish Wolfe wave at ATR pivot point. And if you traded this, you could have made nice pips, because I said that if it breaks 0.5, it can be traded to the downside. Now, this is also a little bit of school for you now. First thing, guys, this is non-strict Wolfe wave, because we have 0.1, 0.2, and 0.4 is above 0.2. Although we have a low high, then we have another low, but we have a higher high. So, and we have a big low. So from Wolfe wave perspective, this is a wave, but this is non-strict Wolfe wave. Non-strict Wolfe waves can be traded both directions. This is how I teach. This is not this is not explained in a standard Wolfe wave teaching. So I think that Mr. Bill Wolfe, who developed this, he doesn't explain about this. But I have personally adopted the fact that if there is a non-strict Wolfe wave, we can take a trade to the opposite side. So Here on pound yen, you would have gone long only if pound went above 137.50. Because it didn't go above this region, actually it fell, so you could have made 30, 40 pips to the downside. So this is, I can say that this is definitely the advantage of trading, let's say, Wolfe Waves, because guys, here you don't need to think a lot. You know when to make a buy or sell order. Here guys, definitely you can see here, this is what I said. However, since this Wolfe Wave is not strict at 0.3, is below 0.1, it might be invalidated. So this is, okay, this was it, and the price went there, providing us with nice pips. Also, the opportunity that I want to show you, of course, is connected to our analysis today. So I'm not sure that you read it. I made a double trade on my analysis. I will show you just a second. And this is also valid even now, although we will have some news in an hour, so price might get volatile. But here guys, pound dollar formed a cup with candle pattern, and just literally 5 minutes after I posted this setup, it went upwards, hitting daily H3 Camarilla pivot point. So this was a good trade, really. I mean, I enjoyed this. I had a breakout, and I was so sure in this trade that I made it really with a slightly bigger leverage than I usually use, and I have closed it at this ATR pivot point because the price couldn't break daily H3, and now I still think that there could be an opportunity to buy pound dollar, but the only thing what's bothering me is pound dollar is, this is valid bullish cup and handle, but the thing is we already had a breakout, okay? So maybe there is a possibility that pound dollar could drop to POC zone and then spike up. Because we already had a successful trade here, I think that I would wait for POC, but let's wait. Let's see if actually we will have some setup on Wolfe Wave, or eventually our 1 hour intraday setup on euro dollar. Have in mind guys that this is still a counter trend setup. You know that I have been bullish on euro dollar last couple of days, and if you traded euro dollar setups with me, that happened on the Monday session recap, then you would have made nice pips. Really, you would have made nice pips. But let's wait, okay? Let's see if this will actually come to our zone. At least I want it here. It does not need to be strictly in the zone for this one, at least here. But now you see price is stalling. It doesn't provide us. So two pairs that I am watching now are New Zealand dollar and euro dollar. Okay, they're at the top of my list here. Okay, and definitely guys, I think that we might see some nice opportunities, also pound dollar, but let's wait. First I will see the question. Angel, hello Nenad, thank you for your support yesterday. It stopped exactly where you told me. Yes, I explained the gold setup. Yes, you need to be patient, and definitely, Angel, if you traded gold, you need to know that you should always use stop loss, because gold is very fast moving. You really need to be very, very, very careful, and please don't trade without stop loss. Gulad Yama is asking, when you get a chance, can you touch upon dollar yen? It broke support line. Yes, I know it broke support line, but still, you could have shorted dollar yen. It was a setup that I posted, dollar yen short setup. Eventually, dollar yen made a, this is guys, master candle. You see, this is master candle. But still, we didn't see a master candle break out to the upside. So it need, guys, if you ask me where I would put a long trade on dollar yen, only here, guys, if it breaks this pivot point and this quadruple top. This is what I would trade, probably. Definitely. Yes, let's go step by step. A lot of questions now here. Guys, a lot of questions here. Really. Dollar yen, guys. Dollar yen here. What I would definitely do, guys, here is I would go only with a breakout of this master candle range. I cannot simply go long now because price is making some swings to the upside. It needs to break this high. Then let's say that it starts to break from this spot above. Then we would place stop loss below this candle. But because it doesn't happen, I'm not sure. It might break to the downside. I wouldn't be surprised if this breaks downside here. Really. Okay. $110.10. Yes, this was double bottom here and it broke with a strong momentum. So this double bottom here, guys, it's called, now this is definitely order block. So this is bearish order block. So this 110.10 is a strong level to watch in the future. Probably if the price gets there, it will again reject. I think 110.10 could be a no-brainer scalp trade. Ahmed is asking how to get ATR pivot and all that green, blue, red lines on chart. ATR pivot and Camarilla pivot, you can, Ahmed, you can send an email to me, okay? And I will send you these indicators. So just send an email to me, okay? Still this pound dollar looks tempting. Really, it looks tempting. So I'm not sure what to make up out of it. If we make a breakout trade, the stop loss should be below 24.80. So it's 24.75. 20 pips stop loss. We really need to see. Okay, yeah, here this looks good. I'm in, guys. I'm in. Okay, so pound dollar, I will go long. This is, I will show you, this is breakout trade opportunity of this cup and handle again. If I'm stopped out, well, it's not much. I'm making a 20 pip stop loss. So 20 pip stop loss for me. Not a big risk really, only 2%. So this is market order, pound dollar here, market order, breakout trading opportunity. We might maybe wait for this to happen, but definitely you see here, this is where it broke out, okay? Initially we had H3, but then again, you see this candle here, this is a very bullish candle. It might be a fake out, I don't know, but guys, you always know when you trade, you don't know what will happen. You can only speculate what might happen. So my stop loss is 20 pips, okay, minus spread, so 24.72 is my stop loss. 24.72, 24.94 entry, okay. Breakout, pound dollar, this is pattern that I know this happens a lot in Forex market, okay. Okay, this is, okay, so here, stop loss 24.72, okay. Market order, breakout, trade, pound dollar, guys. Okay, usually with breakout trades, you have a, you know, I mean, you can add a little bit of lots to your breakouts because usually breakouts don't have big stop loss. Okay, so the reasons definitely, guys, cup and handle here. Okay, so if we place a mini trend line here, okay, and another one here, this is cup with handle, also V-shaped reversal, previously supported by 1623, 062. So this is A to C, B to D, valid ABCD. So this was bullish move. 3 days in a row are bullish. Okay, so 3 days in a row are bullish. Cup and handle, famous Forex pattern breakout. I expect if this breaks out above this spot, it might go into the previous master candle range where we will see consolidation. If it gets below where my stop loss is here, if it gets below, then it might drop towards L4. So that is why our stop loss is tight for this trade. Okay, let's see if we get any spike to the upside or any momentum or whatever happens here. You always need to be ready to pull a trigger if you see opportunity and, of course, not overtrade. Milad is asking, does Admiral Markets provide account manage? I don't think so. I don't think so. Admiral Markets is broker and they don't manage accounts. Dollar CAD, Daniel is asking about dollar CAD. I don't think anything about dollar CAD simply because we had overnight rate decision. This is the strongest event for this week. So I'm very, very careful about dollar CAD. I mean, generally, I don't touch CAD basket today because of overnight rate decision. Okay, next question. Can you look at gold? Yes, of course. Yes, Egils, I made a live buy trade on pound dollar, indeed. This is breakout setup, 24.93 entry, 24.72 stop, very tight stop loss, potential breakout opportunity, continuation, and here also spotted N, okay, W, but you see this is cup with handle. And this bullish candle, wow, what a week. This was very, very strong week. So let's see. Okay, next question. Can you give me advice about POC on gold? POC on gold. Yes. Let's see what I have on gold here. Okay, let's wait. It needs to update. Yeah, I mean, Angel, this is what I've been talking about. Gold was very bullish. It rejected from the region where I told you. So, yeah, POC on gold. I will do quick analysis. Have in mind, this is not a deep analysis as I always do when posting setups on Admiral Markets and Forex Street. So quick analysis, first possible rejection spot could come here. Both of these are order blocks. So here, possible rejection spot. And deeper retracement definitely could happen here around L4. So this is first possible rejection. This is second possible rejection. Order block L4 61.8. So this region here, this and this region here. Question, Ahmed, POC is area of what indicators? Okay, have in mind that I already did the price action trading school, Ahmed. So please take a look at price action trading school. It's on YouTube. I will show you now. It's a complete price action trading school that I did here with Arma Markets, and it has everything that you need to know about indicators. Here, price action trading school videos, okay? And there I explained a lot about different indicators that we use for POC zones and so on, okay? So yeah, refer to price action trading school. Now, let's get back to next question. Where is TP on pound dollar? I don't know. I still don't know where TP is, because this is supposed to be a breakout trade opportunity. I will manage my trade like market order. This is market order. So I will take a look when if the price gets there, and if it spikes to the upside, I might take a final take profit at 25.40 if it happens. But then again, I might be scaling out. I don't know yet. Final TP is this region, but I'm not sure that it will be reached instantly. I mean, you see, market is not providing any big momentum to the upside at this point, so we still need to wait. But I might scale out here or protect the trade here where this is daily high. So guys, when you trade, you always need to think about daily high. Daily high is, if it's reached, and it cannot be broken, then you definitely need to protect your profits. But you see, market is really now stalling. One pip up and down, nothing big happens now. New Zealand dollar, again, we don't have any price breakout. Although, guys, you see, a range for New Zealand dollar is very, very small, only 45 pips. This is very, very rangy pair. It's not a New Zealand dollar that I know from 2010, 2011. This is totally different pair now. It's kept in the range. I don't trade it that much, but still, this is Wolfe Wave, so it might need some time to develop, even if we see a buy trading opportunity. Yet again, stop loss for this trade is not big, so I think that we might actually, I might leave the trade going if I see 69.28 hit. With oil going strong, dollar CAD could break to 32. Guys, I'm not sure that you actually follow calendar, but it's of utmost importance that you follow Forex calendar. I don't know really what can happen with CAD, simply because we have a rate decision. If I really knew what will happen with rate decision, I would put every single euro on my account and traded it. Those are very risky events, and I really am not sure why are you asking about CAD when you know that such a big risk event is very, very close. Guys, POC interest rate decision in 38 minutes. I really don't know what will happen. What if they, for example, we don't expect it. You see, market is expecting no change in their rate decision. But guys, this is also high risk event. POC monetary policy report. The problem here is that both these events are very risky. If they decide to, for example, do a rate cut, it will be a big surprise for the markets, and price will turn violent on any CAD pair. On complete CAD basket, it will turn violent. So you really need to be very, very careful. Also on Forex Factor, you see BOC policy report, BOC rate statement. These are risky events. So you really need to be very, very careful, guys. I don't think that you should trade CAD now. I mean, if you want to gamble, then trade it. I don't have anything against it, but you need to be very careful. I will not trade it, definitely. Euro dollar still supported, but it doesn't move. It's not in POC. It doesn't have a Wolfe wave. So really it's not very, very, very tradable. Euro yen. You see Euro yen here completely engulfed within H3 L3 range. This is just another proof that market is not moving fast at this point. Forex fly, Euro GBP master candle. Let's see. Yeah, 1 hour time frame. Yes, master candle, it already happened. Definitely here. Let me just quickly turn on master candle here, indicator. Okay, New Zealand. And Euro GBP. Okay, just give me a few seconds. Here. This is master candle, spot on. But the thing is, it already happened here. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Then next candle breakout, valid breakout. Stop loss either there or there. And it went up. So yes, Euro GBP, great master candle. Okay. Now we see that this has been broken. Let's see, the low of this candle is 80. The low of this candle is 79. So maybe we can actually also call this one master candle, although this low is a little bit lower, 0. few pips lower. You see, that is why my indicator doesn't show it. But yes, let's see what will happen. Javier, in price action training school, can I find how to find POC zone? POC zone is, Javier, something that I personally developed. So I think you really need a time to figure it out yourself. I try to explain the easiest and the shortest way what POC zone is, how to chart it, but then again, it needs practice. You really need to be very, very patient with it. Angel, do you think that this can also move gold a lot? I'm not sure, but I think that everything will move when news kick in, because we also have crude oil inventories later. So guys, CAD is under heavy fire today, definitely. Can I take a look at ODN? Okay, let's see. I will do it. Yes, only 2 pips now on pound dollar. So for all of you who joined up later, I have opened a buy trade, breakout trade opportunity 24.93, exactly 92.8, and I want it up. Stop loss 24.72, very tight stop loss. So let's see. New Zealand dollar, still it's not happening. So for me, New Zealand dollar could be possibility to buy around 69.28. We have divergence, bullish divergence. CCI is oversold. We are at the bottom of the range. This is strict Wolfe wave. I will definitely buy it here, and I will make a pending order now, guys, simply because we don't have any big momentum in the market. So my new order here, guys, okay, so buy pending order 69.28. Okay, stop loss is 169.05, or let's say 0.3, only 25 pips of stop loss. Okay, okay, so if you want to do it as I did, okay guys, then that's it. Let's just use properties here. I'm not sure why it doesn't show up. Okay, give me a second. When you do live trades and these things, you need to manage 100 different stuff here. So 0.0. Okay, let's do it once more. New Zealand dollar. Okay. It simply won't show up the screen, but let's see. Okay. Here. You go, guys, like this. Pending order. Because we want a breakout to the upside, it's buy stop order at price 0.6928. Stop loss 0.6902. Or let's say, yeah, it's okay. Take profit. I will go with full price projection. 60. Okay. Price projection goes here 75. But we will manage it, of course, accordingly. Okay. Buy stop order placed. So let's see what will happen. Currently 5 pips on pound dollar. Well, still not going that big, but at least it started to move. So let's see what will happen. We made nice profits today on this breakout, if you followed my analysis today. So this is just another buy breakout trade. Yeah. The question, can we take a look at ODN? Sure, we can take a look at ODN. Wow, this was a big bullish pattern, but the thing is, yeah, definitely three dry pattern here. Let me just check it. This is 3 drive 07357365997. Yes. This has the chance to go up. Here, this is valid 3 drive pattern happening exactly at L3 support. But you see, the price is ranging. The price is currently contained in this range. So what I think is, only if it at least breaks this double top here, it could move next to the range and up. But you see, the range is very tight, so I don't expect any big movement on the end. Compared to pound New Zealand, there is definitely, guys, buy on dips. So pound New Zealand already made to its ATR. If it breaks this ATR, it will be overshot, and then we might see some rejections at H5. So if you want to make a reversal trade, rejection trade, go with H5 rejection, reversal coupled with confluence. So guys, we still need to wait for market momentum. Definitely, guys, we made something today. So market order on 24.92.8 GBP dollar. That was market order. Stop loss 24.72. And we have a pending buy order that could be initiated if the price gets 8 more pips to the upside. 69.28. Clear stops, clear levels, everything is clear. Guys, very important for you to know, go with low risk. Don't risk much. You can afford slightly higher risk if you go with breakout trades. On positional trades, go with slightly low risk. This would be all for today for our live trading session. I hope that you are happy with this. Pound dollar was good today. We had nice breakout trade to the upside. Now we have another long market order on pound dollar. New Zealand dollar, yes, how long are valid setups? Pound dollar is already activated. You can see here. I have currently only 6-7 pips of profit, but it's activated. While New Zealand dollar will be valid until, I would say, Friday morning. Friday morning. So let's see. Let's wait, guys. Very slow price, but yet again, we might do some profit protection if we are in profit when news kick in some 25 minutes. Yes, I can show slides. So this is euro dollar limit order. It's valid until Friday morning. And this is stop loss was just changed to 69.02 on New Zealand dollar. 69.02. Okay. And that was it. We also have pound dollar initiated at 24.228. So that was it, guys. Euro dollar still waiting for something to happen. Pound dollar up, but not for many pips. We need to wait to see what will happen. New Zealand dollar needs to make 8 pips, 10 or 9 pips more for this buy Wolfe Wave setup to be activated. Ahmed, question, can we use zigzag to find up and down trend? Some people use zigzag. I don't use zigzag. You really need to go through price action trading school. That is there where I actually explain how to trade with zigzag, how to trade with trend, and how to spot a trend. I really am not using zigzag for, I simply don't use zigzag. So thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. I will be here with you soon. Let's see what will happen. And talk to you soon, guys. Cheers, everyone. Trade safe.